Welcome to Sport Online, Trobe Sport's new online booking system for facility bookings and availability. Today, we will show you how to make a Trobe Sport facility booking at the Melbourne or Bendigo campus. The first step is to head to the website sportonline.latrobe.edu.au and then navigate to the top right hand of the screen to log in. In order to log in, you will have to have created an account with us first. If you haven't created an account with Trobe Sport yet, please view our How to Activate Your Account video on our website. Once you're on the login page, enter in your membership number or email address, as well as your account password. For easy access, make sure to click the Remember Me box so that your details are pre-filled next time you book. Once that's done, hit Login. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to make your booking. Head back to the Sport Online home screen and click on the Bookings tile. Once here, you can choose from one of our 3 sites using the drop-down menu in order to make a booking at either the Melbourne campus for the Indoor Sports Centre or Sports Park, or the Bendigo campus for the Bendigo Sports Precinct. From here, you'll also need to select your booking type, which details the space that you'd like to book. Here, you can also select to book either a half or a full court. Using the drop-down menu, you'll also need to select the number of spaces that you'd like to book. Here, you can also add in the estimated number of people who'll be attending your booking. Next, you need to select the date that you'd like to book your desired facility for. Once that's done, use a drag-down motion on the calendar to highlight the time slot and duration that you wish to book for. Please note that only the time slots in green are available to be booked. Select Continue to progress to the next screen. If you'd like to make more than one booking, you can do so in the next step by clicking the Book More button. Please ensure that you've reviewed our terms and conditions surrounding payment and cancellations to ensure that you're aware of these prior to finalising your booking. Then, click the checkbox to confirm that you agree. On this screen, you will also be required to fill in the text field to specify your sport. You will not be able to proceed to payment without completing this step. If you're happy with the selections that you've made, click Add to Cart. Double check that all of the information on the screen is correct. If you do need to make any changes, simply click back to the previous screen. If all details are correct, you can click Continue to Payment. Pop in your payment details and click the green Pay Now button to confirm your booking. Shortly after this, you'll receive a confirmation email of your booking in your inbox. If you can't locate this email, make sure that you check your junk box to see if you can find it in there. And there you have it. You've successfully booked a Trobe Sport facility. We look forward to seeing you at one of our venues soon.